In this video, we are going to learn fast addition. How can we do the fast addition? Yes, here we are having one method, that is dropping 10 method or line method. In Vedic maths, we are having dropping 10 method and line method. By this, how can we do the addition very fastly? Yes, I am going to take here two-digit numbers, few two-digit numbers. Yes, I am going to take blindly. Yes, blindly I am going to take the numbers. Let us see. Yes, here I have taken few numbers. Yes, generally we do the addition from top to bottom. Here I am going to do the addition from bottom to top. First I take the line right hand side line. Next I take left hand side line. Yes, from bottom. Start counting from bottom. I am going to start. While doing, I will explain. 9 plus 6, 15. Yes. When we get the number equal to 10 or more than 10. When we get the sum equal to 10 or more than 10, then we have to drop 10 there. While dropping, we have to draw the line. Yes. So that line method, dropping 10 method. Here we have to drop 10 and yes, 5 more than 10. 5 numbers more than 10, no? So we have to carry this 5 to the next number. Yes, carry 5 to the next number. 5 plus 9, 14. Again we got more than 10. So drop 10 and carry this 4 to the next number. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is less than 10. So don't drop there. Yes, here 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Drop 10, carry 5 to the next number. 5 plus 5, 10. We got here 10. Even though we have to drop there and carry 0 to the next number. 0 plus 9. Again we get same number, 9. So when we add 0 to any number, we get the number itself. So no need to carry this 0 to next number. Then what we have to do? Start freshly. Means you can start from 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Drop 10. Carry 1 to the next number. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. This is the last number, even though we have to drop 10 there. We got 10. Finally we got 10. Write this 0 here down. Next, don't carry this 1 to the next line. What we have to carry? Here how many number of lines? How many lines we got here? 3 through 6. Okay. So we have to carry 6. Count the lines not by showing the finger. In mind only we have to do the calculation. Yes, we have to count. How many we got? By seeing only we have to count the number of lines. Here we got 6. So we have to carry 6 to the next line. Okay. Again start counting from 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Drop 10. Carry this 3 to the next number. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Drop 10. Carry 1 to the next number. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 10. Means start freshly. Yes, 7 plus 6, 13. Drop 10. Carry 3 to the next number. 3 plus 4, 7. Here, we write 7 here. And number of lines, 4. We have to write here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. By seeing only, we have to count in mind. Okay. Yes, we got 7. That is the answer 470. Just let us see one more example. You can understand easily then. Yes. Here I am going to take single digit number first. Actually we do with single digit. Yes. Same process from down to top. From bottom to top. See here. 5 plus 6, 11. Drop 10 and carry 1 to the next number. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. Drop 10. Carry 3 to the next number. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Drop 10 and start freshly. Why? Because here 0. 0 plus 5 is equal to also 0. So start freshly. 5 plus 7, 12. Drop 10. Carry 2 to the next number. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Here we had to count the number of lines. Just 4. We got 4. So answer is 49. Next, let us take one more 2-digit number. Okay, 2-digit numbers. Yes, I did not remember numbers. That is not possible to remember all those numbers. Yes, start counting from 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Drop 10. Carry 3 to the next number. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. Drop 10. Carry 4 to the next number. 4 plus 9, 13. Drop 10. Carry 3 to the next number. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 30. Even though that is the last number, even though we have to drop there. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Drop 10 and carry this 3 to down. Next, how many lines we got? Here 4 lines. So carry 4 to the next line. Next, start from 4. 4 plus 9, 13. Drop 10 and carry 3 to the next number. 3 plus 7, 10. Yes, drop 10 and start freshly. 6 plus 5, 11. Drop 10 and carry 1 to the next number. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Drop 10 here. Yes, start freshly. Yes, 9 plus 6, 16. Drop 10, carry 6 to the next number. 6 plus 6, 12. Just write this 2 here down and number of lines. 3, 3, 6. Yes, the answer is 600. This process can also be applied for 3-digit numbers. Yes. Here I have taken few numbers. Here also same process from bottom to top. I am going to take first line, last from last. Yes, start from 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Drop 10. Yes, carry 0 to the next number. Means again 0 plus 2, we get same 2 itself. So start freshly. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Drop 10. Carry 3 to the next number. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. Drop 10. Write 4 down. Next, how many lines? Number of lines are 3. So carry 3 to the next line. 3 plus 7, 10. Drop 10. Here I am writing. Yes. Next, 10 means start freshly. 9 plus 3, 12. Drop 10. 2. Carry 2 to the next number. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Drop 10 and carry 4 to the next number. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Drop 10 and write 3 down here. Next number of lines. 4. Carry 4 to the next line. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. Drop 10, carry 4 to the next number. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Carry 4 to the next number. Drop 10, carry 4 to the next number. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. Drop 10, carry 6 to the next number. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 means write 0 down here. Number of lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4034. Yes. Hope you might have understood. Yes. I am going to take one more example. here. Yes, here I'm going to do little bit fastly. Okay, follow. Yes, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. Next, carry 1 here. I'm not going to write here side numbers. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 11. 11. 1 plus 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 3 to the next number. 3, 3, 6, 6, 6, 12. 12. 2 plus 1, 3. 3. Carry 3 here. Yes, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 3, 11. 1 to the next number, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 4 to the next number, 4 plus 9, 30, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. Carry 2 here, write 2 down, next, yes, number of lines, 4, means carry 4 to the next number, then 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8, number of lines, 3. The answer is 3, 8, 2, 3. Yes, you can practice, do practicing, then you will get the addition, fast addition. Within seconds, you can complete the addition. If you take 4 digit numbers also, the process is same. Yes, not only for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this process can also be applied for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Yes, do practicing and please comment on this. Thank you.